Alright, ready? They don't know me.
Because you don't do extreme enough. Look. And then you reel it flat.
Actually?
Yeah. It works.
But if I get a bite, how am I gonna set the hook?
Jump backwards.
Oh. Dude.
Oh, my bad.
What are you doing?
Why are you...
There.
Why are you on this side of me?
Because you saw me cast. Oh.
It's a plant.
That is not a plant. That's a fish.
You got one?
Yeah.
Hey.
Oh, he's big. Oh.
See him.
Oh.
Is he chunky?
Yes.
Oh, he's big.
Yo. Chill. No. No. He was pulling my drag. Come on. Ah. Get out. Peace out. Titan.
Get him.
Help.
Get him.
Help. Oh my god. Oh my gosh.
Big bass.